This course covers the risks and precautions needed to minimize manual handling injuries, including advice on effective manual handling techniques. After completing this course, candidates will understand the risks and health effects associated with manual handling operations, have knowledge of the legal and regulatory framework that underpins manual handling operations, be aware of the methods required to assess the risk from manual handling operations, have knowledge of safe manual handling techniques. Avoiding the need to perform a manual handling task should always be considered first. Automation can help avoid or reduce the need for manual handling, make operations more efficient, and reduce the likelihood of injury. When considering alternative or assistive systems, think about the process as a whole. Can raw materials be delivered directly to their point of use? Does a large item really need to be moved? Or can the activity, for example wrapping or machining, be done safely where the item already is? Would the process benefit from mechanization, for example, installing a conveyor or hoist? If a manual handling task cannot be avoided, then suitable control measures must be put in place to control the risk. A risk assessment should be carried out to help establish what control measures are best suited to the task. It's important to consider the task as a whole, as there are risk aspects throughout the handling process. The task. How far is the load to be moved? Is the load to be carried, pushed or pulled? Is the task frequently repeated? How many people are involved with the task? Can a satisfactory body posture be adopted during the task? The load. What is the weight of the load? What is the size of the load? Is the load difficult to handle? Is the load sharp, hot or cold? Are the contents of the load likely to move? The environment. Are there physical constraints which might inhibit good posture, for example narrow walkways? Are there slippery, uneven or unstable floors? Are ladders or stairs required? Are there extremes of temperature or humidity? Are there poor weather conditions? Are there poor lighting conditions? Capability. Are the people capable of undertaking the task? Are they trained to carry out the task? Do they have a known disability or illness? Are they pregnant?